your older brother or sister saying, wow, you have all this freedom. I couldn't do anything. And I see this in my profession. I ask parents, is this your second kid through, third kid through? If they say it's the third or fourth or fifth, get in the car and drive. I try not to over-explain. Everyone's a little bit different. Some people need more explanation, that's fine. Some people want it quiet in the car, that's fine too. We're all different. Just like me, I'm giving you insight into driving. You can see this person to the left with the vest on. I don't know what they're doing. And when you drive in traffic like this, it does change your molecular structure. So I don't know what he's doing. He's trying to sing, cannot sing. I'm watching my rear mirror because people drive incredibly fast and will hit you and rear end you. You have to have a relaxed state of mind or you simply will go off on someone. So, this guy has Christmas lights on. This is a crossover. It can be frozen, so I want to be very deliberate in my speed control. I don't want to slide into this intersection and get hit. That car's broken down. I'm looking for a gap. They ran a light. So people should be turning in the first lane, but they're going to come into my lane because that car is broken down. And here's my gap. See how they turned on the blinker at the last second? Dangerous. Now I can get over one lane to the right. These signs tell you information. The warning sign tells you there's a stop sign ahead. So we have to stop. S-T-O-P for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003.